Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you've learned on how to use Gnucash accounting software. So if you're looking for free accounting software to manage your personal finances or small businesses, then Gnucash is definitely worth checking out. Unlike many accounting programs that require a monthly subscription, Gnucash is completely free and open source. It offers professional accounting features such as income and expenses tracking, um, and also, of course, bank account management, budgeting, invoicing, and financial reports. So, in this beginner friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use it, explain its key features, and walk you through the basic workflow so you can start managing your finances with confidence. Okay, so first, let us understand what is Gnucash. Gnucash is a free, open source accounting software designed for individuals, freelancers, and small businesses. It uses a double entry accounting system, which means every financial transactions affects at least two accounts. So this helps keep your financial record accurate and balanced. So some of its key features: income and expenses tracking. Okay, so you have it right here. Bank account management, all right, in budget planning, invoice creation, account payable and receivable, um, investment tracking, financial reports, and multi-currency support. And because it is free, Genocash is a popular alternative to paid accounting software. Okay, so yeah, I am going to show you how you can actually download it as well. So first is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to search for Genocash. Okay, and you would be able to see this first website. So simply tap on this one. So here you can download the Genocash 5.14. So since we are using the Microsoft Windows, I'm going to tap on this one. Okay, and then after that you would be directed to this section. Then you just have to wait, and then after that you just have to download this one. Okay, and then once done is you just have to install it on your device, so like what I did. Okay, so after that you will be able to see a prompt where you have to just tap on next and then read all of the details. Then after that you would be able to successfully install the Genocash software. Okay, so again, you just have to choose the version that matches your operating system, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Okay, so again, when you launch a Genocash for the first time, you'll have the option to create a new set of account using the new account hierarchy setup wizard, or this wizard makes it much easier for beginners to get started. Okay, so now before recording transactions, you'll need to organize your account. So Genocash lets you create a category such as assets. So for cash, okay, so here you just have to tap on the new option. So you can create here cash, savings, checking account. For liabilities, we have credit, cards, loans. For income, we have salary, business revenue, freelance income. And for the expenses, we have rent, utilities, food, transportation, and internet. So these accounts helps organize every transaction through record, and you can always add or edit accounts later as your financial needs grow. Okay, so you just have to give it account name, the account code, the description, and then the parent account. That's right, and then the account type. We have that right here, and security currency, the smallest fraction, the account color. So you just have to tap on OK after that. Next one is to record your transactions. So recording transaction is one of the most important tasks in Genocash. So whenever you earn money or spend money, create a new transactions. So again, you just have to go here. That is right. And then whenever you earn money, and for each transactions, you'll enter the date, the description, and every other details again. Okay, so you also have your more properties, you have the opening balance, That's right. Okay, so if you receive payment from a client, it'll increase your bank account and record the amount as business income. So if you pay your electricity bill, you'll decrease your bank account and record it as a utility expense because Gnucash uses double entry accounting. Both sides of the transactions are recorded automatically, helping maintain accurate books. Next one is to reconcile with your accounts. So a useful feature in Gnucash is account reconciliation. This process compares your record transactions with your actual bank statement. Mhm. So yeah, um, reconciling regularly helps you to catch missing transactions, identify duplicate entries, find recording mistakes, and ensure account balances are accurate. So many businesses reconcile their accounts at least once a month. And the next one is to generate the financial report. So once Genocash biggest strength is its built-in reporting tools. So you can generate reports such as profit and loss statement, balance. You have the balance sheet. So just go to the reporting section. So we have for income and expense, budget, examples. So let's go to the assets and liabilities. For example, this one. So you'd be able to see that right here if you already have your data. So yeah, these reports helps you to understand where your money is coming from and where it's being spent. So they're especially useful for business planning and tax preparation. And of course, Genocash also includes budgeting and invoicing. So with the budgets, you can set spending limits. Okay, so let me just go here. Right, so let's just go back here. That's right. So yeah, if you run a small business or work as a freelancer, you can also create invoices to bill your clients and track payments directly within the software. And these tools make it easier to stay organized without needing separate applications. So if you're new to accounting, you just have to, record transactions regularly instead of waiting until the end of the month. Keep your account categorized and organized. Reconcile your accounts monthly, back up your channel cash data frequently, review your financial reports to monitor your business performance, and the more consistent you use channel cash, the easier it becomes to manage your finances. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.